I don't know if I've seen this yet. It's coming out the 18th, I know. Let's all check this out in 3, 2, 1. Stray Kids Maniac, let's go. So happy. Ooh. This man doing BMX tricks, bro. Like, he looks so genuinely happy. Like when he's riding a bike. Like he's been practicing it for like the longest time. This is for Maniac MV unit? Oh, unit teaser 1. Love the hat. Ooh. Ooh. Are we in Inception? What the hell? Of course it's him. Of course it's him. Of course it's my bias. Let's go. Jump that ish. You landed that. Oh. Oh. This man said parkour. Is this actually Felix doing this though? I think some parts it's actually him, but damn. Okay, Freckles, let's go. Oh, I have those same earrings. We are, bitch, I'm gonna wear them right now. These are the earrings I got a long time ago. Got the earrings too. Yes. Bro, he looks so good. He always looks good though. Bro, look at him. Look at them goggles, bro. Like, bitch. Bro, his goggles, I want it. I think Hedged would like it too. So fire. And he floats, right? Like it's anti-gravity. I like the little effects. That's fire. Maniac.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old.
Whoa. What is this? Stray Kids, Maniac, MV, Teaser 2. Let's go. What in the... What? What? It's like on some screamo issues, but they're about to like scream. Hello? Oh, that's me spraying the bottle. Is that it? What is these teasers? I love it though. I love these. We're open. Open for what? They clowning for real. Oh, is that water or diamonds? That's water. I'm dumb. Water bending? Oh, gravity. Are those cars? What? Bro, I swear to God, if any of these teasers don't make sense for the music video, I'd be so bad. If like all these teasers, does teasers usually make sense for a music video? I don't know. Cause literally right off the bat, it's like a freaking 80s intro. Like, alright, let's go. Oh, okay. Girl. I need more triggers in the avatar. Everything's upside down? Why would you mess with my feelings? Anyways, I'm ready for Stray Kids. I don't know about you. I'm not ready, but I'm also ready at the same time. I'm excited to see them, but I might throw up. Is that something like that?
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex toe, that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.